prayer are you praying? Those are useless prayer. If I catch you praying that prayer, you are dead. It doesn't go anywhere. They have done prayer for me. After all these things that they did against me, after all this prayer they did on me, after those prayers didn't work, what did they do? They went to Malawi. Of recent, they went to Malawi, the witch doctor in Malawi, not knowing that that witch doctor also come to me to collect power. The power he used to heal people, the power he used to see people's problem, the power he used to give people to win lotto, the power he used to give people to win election is power that he collects from me, Siawan. And when they arrived there, that man told them, I'm telling you, I'm going to show you evidence. That man told them to say, Siawan has destroyed your party. And there is nothing we can do. That man told them that next year election, they are going to lose it. And that man told them to say, cause confusion so that there won't be election. If there will ever be election, you are going to lose the election. That's what witch doctor said in Malawi that made them started panicking. Let me tell you the plan, what they want to do now. UPND, I know that you are watching me. NDC, I know that you are watching me. Other political, MMD, I know that you are watching me. All the political parties, I know that you are watching me. This is what PF is planning to do. They want to use this COVID. They want to use it to postpone next year's election. Because that guy has told them that they will not win the election because of CR1. I swear upon Godfather. He told them that you are not going to win. No matter what I will do for you, you are not going to win election. All you have to do, find a way to postpone it. And the PF is going to postpone. Mark my word. PF is going to postpone the election. Mark my word. They are about to postpone it. They are going to use COVID to postpone it. And another option is that they want to use violence, anarchy to postpone it. Like what was about to happen during the gassing of the people. Those are the type of thing that they want to do. They want to use it to postpone the election because they have been told that you are not going to win this election. I swear upon Godfather. When I say something and swear upon Godfather, believe me, that is how it is. I want Akainde Chilema to hear my voice. I want Nefas Mumba to hear my voice. I want Shimbakambili to hear my voice. I want Chilufiatali to hear my voice. I want what is his name? I want Sefia Chishimba to hear my voice. I want Mr. Charles Banda to hear my voice. I want all the opposition leaders to hear my voice. PF, is about to postpone next year's election. They are going to use COVID. That is why the more they are saying the cases are increasing, the more they are campaigning and gathering people in number so that they will keep announcing. They will keep announcing results. They are going to keep announcing it until next year. There is where it will get to next year. They will say, no, this year there will not be election because of COVID. Take note. If I can advise you, the people of the opposition leaders, please, from now going on, if it's possible, unite yourself. Unite yourself. Bring in people that are going to audit the COVID result that they are announcing, because the results are going to be increasing now to put fear in the mind of the people of Zambia. They want to put fear in the mind of people of Zambia so that by next year, when they say we are postponing the election, nobody's going to argue with it. They will say the number has increased excessively. If COVID is really in Zambia, the Minister of Health cannot gather people without social distancing. Here in South Africa, where I am, if you want to go and transact